PC in the middle in between, you see that information coming from the camera. That is mostly related to the linear range because the plastic is transparent in this short-wave infrared. Tobias, the CEO of a company called HAIP Solutions. We are a manufacturer of hyperspectral imaging cameras. Maybe not all of you know what hyperspectral imaging is, so a short explanation. We as the human eye see only 3 channels, so it's RGB. Our cameras can see up to 500 channels, for example, and that's what we then also see beyond the human vision. In this case, what we are seeing here right now is a short-wave infrared camera, a short-wave infrared hyperspectral camera. And that is showcasing here a use case on the purification of sunflower seeds. So at the moment there's plastic contamination that we have, some wooden particles, a bit of glass and stone material in there. And we see in the accommodating software, we see actually the data coming live, classified from the camera. So the great thing here with our cameras is that we have integrated GPUs that is in real time processing the data and giving it out onto the stream. So there's no PC in the middle in between, you see that information coming from the camera. And doing that, we can also sort and do the valve control afterwards. So if you want to sort out all the foreign materials, you can see actually here all the foreign materials are sorted out. And in the end, you get also statistics about what is actually sorted out and what is the pure material. You can imagine that also for other type of foods. So this is just one example. The nice thing here about our cameras is that we have the by far highest spatial resolution camera. So we actually just released a 2560 pixel hyperspectral camera. The majority of cameras that you see right now in the industry and you see also around the fair here is at 640 pixels. So it's with the SWIR 1.7 Pro Max is actually 4 times the resolution than what you see with conventional cameras. It's no secret that we are using a new technology in our cameras here. So it's based on the new Sony sensors, which are actually with SWIR sensors. But the thing is that we are using here the camera only in the SWIR range from 900 to 1730 nanometer to get better spectral quality in the end, and also to be able then to differentiate better between different materials. We do have other products also in our portfolio. The SWIR range cameras are the most interesting ones at the moment, and I would say the most promising for the future. There's also stuff in the visible and near-infrared camera, which are CMOS-based systems. We do provide illumination as well. That is mostly related to the linear range. In the SWIR range, this is a bit more complex topic. You will need to work with special LEDs, or which is the standard right now, is with halogen illumination, or a new type of illumination that we have also showcasing here, which is still heat emitting illumination. So this is something to keep in mind. However, this is, I would say, still the standard use case in the industry that you can find here. Our company is still quite young, so we are just like 5 years within the business, but growing pretty quickly. So 13 employees that we have in the company. We are based in Hanover in Germany, and are actually expanding our production right now so that we can support like multiple of 100 units per year to our customers, which are majority in the recycling industry where we just started out, but we are now also exploring food industry, as there are also very interesting use cases on foreign object detection, humidity control, ripeness detection, ripeness measurement. Sealing inspection is also very interesting, so you can actually see through the plastic packaging because the plastic is transparent in this short-wave infrared. Improving shelf life, there's a lot of use cases that you can explore with our cameras. I will leave the floor to some open questions. If you have, just let us know. I'm very open.